Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. My voice is clear. Is it audible? My voice is clear or not? Online guys, am I audible? All right. Guys, yesterday we discussed how to validate the valid data and invalid data. We discussed it already yesterday. Valid data and invalid data. And at the same time, if you want to validate registered error state, if you want to validate registered error state, how you guys are able to validate the registered error states? See guys, you guys are observing here. This is our application. I want to click on the registered. Once I click on the registered, again I click on the registered without enter any data. I want to click on the registered, and after that I want to click on the registered. See, in between I no need to add any information. Just I want to click on the registered. Just I want to click on the registered. In this time, I need to validate the error states. I need to validate the error state. How I need to validate the error state? You guys are observe clearly. First of all, I need to create one folder. First of all, we need to create one folder. Once we create the folder, we need to launch the browser. How you guys are launch the browser? You need to create one test case, TC_01. 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 Right click on your test case, test configuration. Here you guys are provide the browser, and here you guys are provide the Chrome. And once you guys are provide the test configuration, and you guys are observe clearly here, I need to launch the application URL. I need to launch the application URL. In this application URL, I will provide the URL. I need to provide the application URL. And once I provide the URL, I will provide some wait here. Let's wait some time. T-box wait. Once you guys are provide the wait, 8 milliseconds. And after that, I want to click on the login button. I want to click on the registered button. Yeah, just I copy this one. I copy this one and paste it here. Just I copy this one and paste it here. Here I will choose the registered. Here I will choose the registered. And after that, Once I click on the registered, I need to click on again registered. I need to click on registered. Okay. See, I want to click on the registered. Just in this time, I need to create separate. Only registered I want to scan. And after that, you guys are observe here. Okay, just a minute. Just you need to create launch the application. And here we need to click. And you need to choose the registered button. Click on save. And click on close. And coming to the application here, just this is the registered copy, drag and drop. See guys, this is the registered. We need to drag and drop. See, you guys are observe here. Just I want to click on the register. After that, I want to click on the again register. See, these two scripts between, we need one script. What is that one? Error. What is that one? Error related information. See guys. Yeah, this information is required. Okay, here is registered is not required here. Just I need to close. Just I need to close and go to module and drag and drop here. Yeah, see guys, drag and drop here. And here what I need to validate here, just I no need to select any, okay, I want to select one. Okay, and here I need to choose and copy here and inner text here and paste it here. And just I want to copy this one. And this is, we are going to use inner text here. We are going to provide. And after that, you need to use and inner text, paste it here. And here also you guys are provide. Okay, inner text and paste it here. And here also you guys are provide inner text and paste it here. See guys, this is not a select, this is verify. And this is also verify. And this is also verify. I need to validate. If I want to validate, I need to choose the verify. Okay, if you want to provide the input, we need to provide the input here. Okay, see guys, and after that, what I need to do, I want to click on the registered. I want to click on the registered. Okay, I want to click on registered. See, once you guys are provide this one, you guys are observe. Now I will execute the code. Sorry, now I will execute the script and close and run in the scratchbook. Once you guys are click on the run in the scratchbook, you guys are able to validate the all error states or not, we need to verify. Just I want to click on the registered and click on the registered. Okay. Okay, got it. Here we need to remove the registered. Okay, just I want to remove this one. Go to module. Just here I want to remove the registered and I will verify. There is no option here. Just drag and drop here, and I need to validate the complete text. Just I need to validate, copy, and inner text. Inner text, paste. And here we need to provide inner text, paste. And here also we need to provide inner text, paste. And here verification. Yeah, verification. And after that, what I need to do? Just I want to do the drag and drop registered. Only this is the registered and put it here. Yeah. And after that, I need to click on the, okay, click on this one and close this one, execute, run in Scratch. Could not find first name is required with the following properties. Okay. Just a minute. Once I click on the register, Once I click on the registered, we need to click on OK button. So open URL, debug suite, and demo web shop, register and validate. And after that, click on the registered button. Okay. $7,000. 7,000 and click on, actually we are expecting once click on the registered and click on the registered, click on the registered, click on the registered. Okay. And I will execute one more time. The first name is required. Okay. Okay. You guys are able to find the issue? Anybody? You guys are able to find the issue or not? Hello? Yeah, what is that one, Emaya? What is that one? Tell me. Very good. Very good. Very good. You guys are observed here. This validation you need to provide after click on the registered. This validation you need to provide after click on the registered. Okay. See guys, this validation you need to provide after click on the registered. And first we need to provide the click on registered. Okay. And I will remove this one. Very good, guys. Yeah, that's it. Run in Scratchbook. And click on the registered. And click on the registered. Now we are able to validate all the error messages. All the error messages. You guys are observing here. It is executed successfully. Okay. It is executed successfully. See, you guys are observed. Verification was expected and actual both are same. And expected and actual and both are same. Very good. Yeah, the next one, how to change the properties. How to change the properties. See guys, how to change the properties. For example, If you want to scan any element inside of the module, if you want to scan any element inside of the module that related the same element, you need to scan one more time in different folder. See guys, you guys are observed here. Now I need to create two folders. Now how to change the element properties? How to change the element properties? Okay, see you guys are observed here. Now I will provide just you guys are observed here. Now I need to scan the application here. Now I need to scan the application. Yeah. Now I want to click on the book and I want to click on the computers. Okay. I want to click on the book, or else I need to convert this one, guys. I need to convert non-unique queue to unique queue. Okay, see guys, this is converted non-unique queue to unique queue. And click on save. See guys, once I click on the books, once I click on the book, if I want to click on this book, if I want to click on this book, once you click on the book, if you want to click on this book and take the screenshot, go to paint, take the screenshot, go to paint and paste it here and paste it here, and here right click here, you need to scan the application. One minute. Right click here and you guys are observe here, create a image based control. Image based control. Just I want to click here. I need to copy this one. Okay, save. See guys, here occurrence I need to provide 65. Just click on save. Just click on save. If you want to click on this one, control, first control. Okay, see guys, you guys are observe here clearly. This is the book. Okay, this is the book. Now what I need to do, this book related control C, this book related, you guys are observe properties. How many properties is there? Inner text book. I was selected inner text book. Okay, visible true. Okay, this is the HTML. Okay, the book is the inner text book. Okay, see, same. I will scan. Same, I will scan. Okay. For example, if I want to scan same thing, go to second folder. And select a book. Now you guys are also here. And before we selected inner text, now I want to select the title. No, visible, no, and visible inner text. And this one, no. Okay. Now I want to go to the advanced view. Under representation, I click on the enabled. I click on the label, visible, context, control area. See guys, control area, and click on save. And click on save and click on exit. Okay, see guys, you guys are also here. What type of property this book related? Control area. Control area. Okay, right click on here, copy. See how to change element properties. Listen guys, how to change the element properties. Here book is same and here also book is same. Here is the inner text is book and here is the control area. Okay, now I need to paste it here. Now I need to paste it here. See, control area. Control area. And you guys are also, you need to remove this one. Inner text, you need to remove this one. You need to remove this one. And same elements, guys. Same element if you want to use. Okay. Same element if you want to use. You guys are able to use same property also. You guys are able to use same property also. The time where you guys are provide the property, once get the property from one folder to, once you guys are get the property from one folder, that property you need to paste inside of the second folder. Inside of the second folder. Okay. Why we are able to do this thing? Before we selected inner text, sometimes the property is working, sometimes the property is not working. In this time, you guys are able to pick this property. That property you need to paste inside of this folder. Then it is working as per our expected. And at the same time, you guys are observe here, you guys are forget something on web application. Okay. For example, I want to scan one more element in this folder. I want to scan one more element in this folder. In earlier, I forget, I am expecting only 2 elements, but we need one more element in this folder. If you need one more folder, one more element in this folder. The time you need to right click on your element, not a folder. Right click on your element and choose the rescan. Choose the rescan. Just a minute. If you want to scan one more element, you need to right click on your element, not a. See guys, we have a different tabs is there. You guys are observed. This is the question. If you want to rescan the element, any element, the time, how many selected options it should be displayed. Listen, if you want to rescan any element, how many selected options it should be displayed in XScan? The time, your answer. Only it should be displayed our expected web application. Only it should be displayed our web application. Only it should be displayed our expected web application. If I want to rescan, only that related information it should be displayed on XScan. Remaining it should not display. And click on rescan. Just I want to go to computer. Okay, just computer I will provide. No. See guys, before books is control area is working. Now it is working. Now it is not working control area. Before book is control area is working. Now it is not working. See, I was verify the representational. See, earlier books is there. Earlier books is there. Okay. Earlier books is there. Now I want to verify. Yeah. Action point is successful. Action point is the property. Action point is successful. Just you need to click on save. Just you need to click on close. See, you guys are observe whatever you rescan second time, the element it should be displayed your expected folder. See guys, and books under computers, and books under computers. If you want to perform any action on books and books on computers, you need to provide the click. You need to provide the click. Okay. See guys, how to validate the error states once you click on the registered. The second one, how to change the properties one folder to another folder. The next one, how to rescan in your expected folder. Today we discuss these three topics. Okay, tell me guys, what is the last concept of the notes? Tell me guys, what is the last concept, the notes? Please respond, anybody? What is the last concept? Hello? Guys, what is the last concept? Parallel execution is completed. Guys, cross browsing parallel execution is completed. Hello, my voice is clear. Okay, what is the last concept? Okay, that is completed. Advanced you convert to non-iniq to iniq. 1 minute, I will check. 1 minute, guys. Okay, convert to control group. Hmm. 1 minute, guys. Cross is done. Basic view and advanced view. After that, we discussed enter a password. Click on OK. Guys, installation process also completed. Notes. Guys, installation process also completed. Notes. Okay. Guys, installation process is required. Notes. If it is required, I will explain. Yeah. Installation process is required. Okay. Write down. Do fast, guys. And you need to write clearly, guys. And one more thing, guys. Once complete the session, you guys are share any notes to my email ID. Okay, and I will provide you that notes to next batch. Okay, and every time I need to change the notes. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, I need to add some concepts. So previous notes, I have a previous notes, but some spelling mistakes is there in that notes, and you guys are once complete the notes and complete notes, you guys are shared to my email ID. Okay, yeah, write down. How to install the Tosca software. How to install the Tosca software. Yeah, write down. If we want to install the Tosca software, first we need to download the software by. If you want to install the Tosca software, first we need to download the Tosca software by using. If you want to install the Tosca software, first we need to download the Tosca software by using below link. Yeah, I provided in chat box. By using below link. Next line. Once download is completed, wait. In installation time, or down. In download time, not installation time, guys. In download time, we need to provide any business email ID. in download time, we need to provide any business email ID. In download time, we need to provide any business email ID. And after that, we need to provide password also. We need to provide password also. I will repeat again. In download time, we need to provide any business email ID. Okay, and password also. In download time, we need to provide any business email ID and password also. And once you click on the next line, once we click on the start free demo, once we click on the start free demo, we need to choose Tosca free trial. We need to choose Tosca free trial. We need to choose Tosca free trial. Next line. Once click on the free trial button, once click on the free trial button, once click on the free trial button, then automatically the Tosca will download. Then automatically the Tosca will download. The Tosca will download. Yeah. Next line. Guys, next line. Once download is completed, once download is completed, once download is completed, we need to register. We need to register Tricentis. Once download is completed, we need to register Tricentis. We need to register to Tricentis by using below link. By using below link. See guys, I sent in chat box. Once download is completed, we need to register by using below link. Note. in registration time, note, in registration time, we need to provide Gmail account. You need to provide Gmail in registration time. We need to provide Gmail account. Once we provide the Gmail in registration time, we need to provide Gmail account. And once we provide the Gmail, you click on the submit button. You click on the submit button. Click on the submit button. Once we provide the Gmail, click on the submit button. Okay, click on the submit button. Then automatically the registered email able to get one verification mail, full stop. Next line. Go to registered email inbox. Go to registered email inbox. Click on verify now. Go to registered email inbox. Click on verify now. Next line. Once we click on the verify now, the verification is successful. The verification is successful. The verification is successful. Okay, next line. After that, we need to log in the Tricentis by using registered credentials. See guys, registered credential is nothing but whatever you provide in registration time, the registered credentials we need to use. You need to log in Tricentis by using registered credentials. Full stop. Once login is successful, once login is successful, by using below link, once login is successful, by using below link, once login is successful, by using below link, we need to get the license. We need to get the license. Okay, we need to get the license. we need to get the license. Yeah, we need to get the license. Next line. If we want to get the license, 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 we need to provide request cloud training license. See guys, here is this is the disable mode. Okay, see that the time should be displayed. This is the enable mode. We need to provide request cloud training license request. We need to provide request cloud training license. We need to provide request cloud training license. Once we provide the registered email ID, able to get the license, the registered email ID able to get the license. Then we can start the installation. Okay, next line. In installation time, once complete all the options, we got connect comma activate page. See on the screen, we got, once installation all the fields, we got connect and activate page. Connect comma activate page. Here we need to choose connect. Underline. Here we need to choose connect. Here we need to choose connect. Then it should be displayed. Email and password page. Then it should be displayed email and password page. Email and password page. Yeah. Here we need to provide, yeah, once you click on the connect, after connect, okay, After connect, then it should be displayed email and a password. Then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed email and password. Here we need to provide. Here we need to provide registered email ID and password. Here, registered email ID and password. Registered email ID and password. Then we are able to install successfully. Then we are able to install successfully. Then we are able to install successfully. Okay. The next one. Installation is completed, guys. You guys are able to install properly the software. I think I am expecting you everybody install the software. I am expecting. Okay. And you guys are listen, guys. Anybody spending, please do install the software, guys. Okay. The major thing in installation. The major thing is the installation. You guys are able to install properly. Okay. Second time without any support, you people are able to install. Okay. You don't forget, guys. Anybody spending, you need to install. The next one. The next one. The next heading, guys. Yeah. How to execute cross browsing and parallel. How to execute cross browsing testing and parallel testing. How to execute cross browsing and parallel testing. Or else, and you guys are provided one more heading, or else, or how to do cross browsing and how to do cross and parallel execution, or how to execute the cross browsing and parallel testing. That is one heading. Or ORR, how to do cross browsing and parallel browsing. How to do cross browsing or parallel browsing, or how to do cross browsing testing and parallel browsing testing. Anything as your wish. Okay. Anything you guys are provide. Yeah. You guys are put the heading cross browsing. You guys are put the heading cross browsing. If you want to do cross browsing testing any application, if you want to do cross browsing testing any application, comma, if you want to do any cross browsing testing in your application, comma, the cross browsing testing will execute. The cross browsing testing will execute. The cross browsing testing will execute one by one. Okay. One by one. One by one, one by one. Yeah, draw this one. Draw this one. Yeah. Next heading, parallel. If you want to execute any application, if you want to execute any application, if you want to execute any application in parallel mode, in parallel mode, in parallel mode, comma, comma, once we execute the application, once we execute the application, all the browsers, all the browsers, all the browsers will launch at a time. All the browsers will launch at a time. Okay, all the browsers will launch at a time. Next line. If you want to do parallel mode, if we want to do parallel mode, under module tab, under module tab, if you want to do parallel mode, under module tab, under module tab, which is we are able to automate, which is we are able to automate, under module tab, which is we are able to automate. Example, open URL. Okay, click on login. Write down. Example, open URL. Click on login. Click on login. Open URL. Click on login. Enter username. Enter password. Click on login. Okay, enter username, enter password, click on login. Click on login, enter email, enter password, click on login. Okay, example. Next line. Next line. Click on login, enter email, enter password, click on login. Example. These are all examples. Okay, next line. The above every element, the above every element, the above every element, see guys, the above every element properties, the above every element property, we need the above every element properties, we need to modify. We need to modify the above every element property. We need to modify the above every element property. We need to modify. Okay, we need to modify. Okay, write down. The above every element property we need to modify. Okay, write down steps wise. See guys, the above every element we need to modify. What I need to modify, guys? First step, example first step, open URL. Okay, example first step, open URL. Select the open URL in module tab. Select the open URL in module tab and go to properties. Go to properties. Right click on properties. Yeah. Go to properties. Right click on properties. Select the configuration parameter. Select the configuration parameter. Select the configuration parameter. Once we provide the configuration parameter, here we need to provide, here, see guys, here also is there. Here we need to provide can execute parallel mode true. Can execute parallel mode true. Here we need to provide can execute parallel mode true. If you want to, next line. if you want to use if we want to use any business flow, every flow, if you want to use any business flow, every business flow property we need to provide. If you want to use any business flow, every business flow property we need to provide can execute parallel equal to true. Take the screenshot this one. Take the screenshot this one. You guys are write down after that. Okay. After that, I will tell you. After that, what we need to do, I will tell you. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Guys, do you have any doubts? Yes, Ramya. Ramya, do you have any doubt? Yes, Ramya, speak out.
Yeah, yes, sir. Regarding the parallel execution only, you mentioned like for each and every property, we need to add the parameter can execute in parallel equal to true, right? So, suppose in a web application, if there are many locators, consider 100, 200. So for all those, we need to add in a larger scale, I'm talking.
Yeah, actually, in parallel mode, for example, only we are able to do 10 steps. Okay. If you want to do the end-to-end testing, the time is not required. See, release time, every time we are able to do the end-to-end testing, unable to do the parallel mode. Only some concept we are able to do the parallel mode. The application homepage is working or not, major functionality is working or not, main functionality is working or not. That's it. Okay. Everything we are unable to do the parallel mode. Is it clear?
Okay. My doubt is related to the regression suite, sir. Suppose if there are 400 to 500.
Regression testing, we are unable to do the parallel mode. Not required. In deep testing is not required. Parallel mode. What we are able to do, why we are able to do the parallel execution? If you want to validate your application in different types of browsers, then you need to do the parallel mode. Okay, all the business flows we are unable to execute at a time in different applications. Sometimes we are able to get the error messages also. So the time you need to avoid the parallel mode, you need to do the cross browsing. Is it clear?
Okay, suppose if there is a requirement stating like you need to execute the regression suite in all
that is I am telling Ramya. Okay, if you want to execute your application regression testing, okay, the time you need to choose cross browsing testing. Okay, see, if you want to validate your application homepage and the main functionality, the time, for example, smoke testing. If you want to do the smoke testing, you need to do the parallel mode. Is it clear?
Yeah, like parallel and cross browser, like both.
There is no different parallel and cross. You no need to provide can execute true in cross browsing. If you want to do the parallel mode, you need to provide the can execute true in properties.
Okay, suppose if you are not giving can execute true in properties, how cross browser?
That time we are unable to get the block parallel block in execution folder. I show you last time already. Definitely tomorrow I will show you one more time. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Sunil, what is your doubt?
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I was doing yesterday error text, and like we got a pop-up while executing the test case. So how can we handle that pop-up? Even test case was running successfully, but that pop-up was not going.
Sorry, what type of pop-up? Window pop-up or alert?
It was alert.
Alert.
Yeah.
Which application you are using?
Same demo web shop.
Okay. Actually, why we are getting pop-up? Okay, I will check and verify. Okay, I will check.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And Mehtash?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Today we executed that registration form verification, right? RS verification. So what if we filled some of the fields and
Yeah,
we
you are
missed
able to
some?
validate. Some of the field you need to fill, and some of the field you don't need to fill, and click on the login button, register button. We are able to validate the remaining field. For example, first name, last name you need to enter. Remaining you don't need to enter. Click on register. After that, you need to provide the validation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. And can you please provide the course content to us?
Yeah, sure. Last time also someone is asking. Sorry, guys. I am little bit busy, so that's why. Okay, definitely today I will share the Google Classroom. Okay, the content in Google Classroom. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.